Hi, this is Jerry Howell from Assured Concepts Group with an educational economic update for December of 2017. In this month's video, I'll discuss some major headlines that influenced markets in November. I will also provide insight into what these developments could mean for you as an investor. U.S. equities had quite a month in November. By the 30th, both the Dow and S&P 500 had hit new all-time highs, with Dow rising above 24,000 for the first time ever. The S&P 500 also marked its longest run of monthly gains in a decade. Throughout the month, we received a variety of economic updates that helped support this performance. As October's data came in, many reports indicated that the economy is growing. For example, the housing market showed strength as existing home sales beat expectations. The latest reading of new home sales also came in far above the anticipated results. The numbers were higher than they've been since 2007. In addition, consumers spent more in October while their incomes rose too. This growth should be positive news for the economy. Consumer spending comprises about 70% of U.S. economic activity, so higher spending can mean stronger economic growth. In fact, the latest reading of Gross Domestic Product, or GDP, revealed the economy is already picking up speed. During the third quarter, GDP grew by 3.3%, the fastest pace in 3 years. Experts believe economic growth may slow slightly in the fourth quarter, but they still think GDP readings could be at 3%. How much consumers spend during the holiday shopping season will largely impact the quarter's growth. With low unemployment and increasing incomes, we could experience higher spending. Looking back on November, consumer behavior and new economic data are not the only topics that moved markets. One critical detail is tax reform. The House and Senate each released their own long-awaited bills, and the market has reacted to key differences between the two. In particular, the Senate's proposal to delay corporate tax cuts until 2019 contributed to a stock sell-off earlier in the month. Then by November 30th, the markets hit record highs as Senator John McCain's support of the bill seemed to increase its likelihood of passing. As of now, no one can say if the Senate and House will be able to come together to create a compromise tax bill they can each pass before year's end. Expectations for tax reform have pushed stock prices up in the U.S., but uncertainty over whether the promised changes will actually happen is affecting both market performance and consumer sentiment. As the tax debate continues, December should provide a lot of new information for the markets to digest. Also, many analysts expect the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates this month. This will be the third interest increase in 2017. We will continue to monitor these and many other economic details in December, and we always welcome your questions about anything covered in this video or anything else you may have on your mind. That wraps up our educational economic update for this month. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 847-426-1077. We are happy to talk. Once again, this is Jerry Howell with Assured Concepts Group signing off for the month of December.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.